Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today we're going to be talking about some hair. I'm sorry it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I needed an energy drink. I usually don't drink energy drinks, but anyways. So we're going to be talking about this new wig that I got. It's called the hand tie full lace wig. The name of this wig is called Krystal in the color number 1. Okay, so this is actually my first time opening the box, so of course everything should be put together as if you just bought it. My first impression of this wig, I really do love it. I love everything about it. I'm going to show you it out, of course, when I take it out. It does come with this card that says hand tied full lace wig, the name Krystal in the color number 1. And on the back of the box it shows the product features and hand tied and basically everything to expect with this wig. So I'm going to take this wig out ever so carefully. Like I said, this is my first time actually taking the wig out the box, so you guys do get a true look of what it's actually going to look like. And just to let you guys know, I am nonchalant when it comes to opening new wigs. Like, I don't show that much emotion even though I love it, but I won't be smiling often until, you know, I got it on my head, of course. I'm realizing that the card that they give you that's supposed to show the price, it never shows the price, and probably because it's very off of a different website. Also does come with this card that shows different hairstyles that you guys can possibly do with your wig, and on the back it shows basically how to install your wig. This wig does come with 2 clips on the side and a clip for the nip of your neck and an adjustable strap for the back of your neck to make sure obviously the wig is fitted. And let me swing this wig real quick because, you know, this wig was actually popping. I had to show some reaction right here. Yeah, now I'm going to do that real quick. And don't even get me started about the length of this wig. It was perfect for me. You know how to do the 1-2. Put it on the other side too to make sure that the length wasn't lying. But I love this. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Krystal Kelly. Oh my gosh, why? My, always me. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get back to that later. But today, obviously, we're going to be talking about this. Oh, what the? Oh no. Okay. Ooh, yeah. I need some water. I'm gonna get some water. I need some water. I can't keep this. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is clearly about this unit. Oh. Oh my gosh, here we go. Get that curl in, There we go. Okay, so this hair, is hand-tied full lace wig, and the name of this wig is called Krystal, and it's in the color number 1. Let me get my phone now so I can see how much it actually cost. Let's do this real quick. Krystal lace wig. It says it's about $42.99 on Beauty of New York. Wig types is $49.79, and Sam's Beauty it's $49.99, and ebonyline.com is $49.99. Ooh, and House of Beauty don't go on there, but it's $84.95. So, but basically you can get it for probably around 50 bucks. It is really worth the money. Really, really worth it. As you guys know, I try not to do any plucking or any powder foundation or anything in the parts or anything, just to make sure that any beginner can definitely put this on and see what it's gonna look like if they didn't have any skills. So but this is without doing anything to it, just basically taking the lace, putting it on, putting the clips in, you know, adjusting it, and you know, put I used got to be glued on my edges, lay the lace down, cut off the lace, and we're all good. So this is basically what it would look like straight out the box. It says it's hand tied, 100% full lace wig, and it's freestyle parting. So basically I can pick where I want my part to be. As I already showed you in the video in the beginning, in the first clip, it did come with this little booklet, which I think is pretty decent, and it shows you basically the little type of styles that you can have with this hair, what you can basically do with it. It says right here that is hand-tied full lace wig, 100% individually knotted strands, deep lace front for most natural look, freestyle parting, ear to ear, soft Swiss lace, baby hairs from ear to ear. Styling whatever. Anyways, updos, ponytails, buns. So you can basically choose what you want to do. Cap construction, breathable mesh cap. So basically you can itch your head a little bit without, you know, messing up things, ripping tracks. And heat friendly. So basically you get to straighten it, curl it, up to you, but only up to, I believe, 400 degrees is what I read. And also, which is a cool feature, is that it actually shows you step by step on the back care guide. It shows you exactly how to actually apply it. Let me get that in focus, but it actually showed you step by step. You know, she's flipping the wig on. What's up? Yep. So it's pretty cool. So just in case you didn't know, but there are also other YouTube videos out there to show you how to apply your wig, so you shouldn't have a problem with that. And like I said, this is in the color number 1. Also came with this little card on there as well, just to make sure you know exactly what you purchased. The back of the box has a little bit more information for you guys. It shows the step-by-step, obviously shows you how to apply it again, just in case you didn't see it on the card, but technically you would see this first before you see that. So I am just not going to lie right now, I love this unit. I want to, like I said, I want to show you straight out the box exactly what it looks like, exactly what you're getting. Now I can be all detailed. I can get some baby hairs, swoop them up. I could also put some foundation or powder in the parts or anything, but you know, I don't need to. I just don't feel like I need to, so I'm not going to be doing all that. But it's really, really, really nice. I really do love it. Tangling. So when it comes to curly hair, I don't really rub my fingers through it anyways, because like it's synthetic. So if you're rubbing your fingers through it, you want it to get bushy and the curls to not last as long. So I don't really do that, but for you guys, I would definitely rub my fingers through the hair real quick. Honestly, it feels really soft. It's now let's talk about shedding. I don't see that much shedding. Actually, I don't really see any shedding. I'm looking for a strand. Hold on. So about 1 strand after I pass through my head multiple times. I definitely do like the true to black color. Like I said, this is a number 1. And as you can see, I have my light actually up all the way just so you guys can see all of the curls and the color. And it is very true to color. I really like how this kind of reminds me of like a beach wave, or like, you know, you go to the beach or you just got your hair washed and you let it air dry, the wavy look. That's what I got going on here. It's like that relaxed, laid back look. I love it. I don't know if I love it because the name of this wig is called Krystal, but everything about it I really do like. I'm trying to show you in all kinds of angles. Also, another thing that I realized about this wig, it was very easy to apply. Some of my other wigs, I gotta, you know, shift, I gotta keep, you know, cutting, like, you know, gotta keep adjusting. This wig was very straightforward. You put it on, it fit. It actually had extra lace where, you know, if you're a big head, obviously, I'm just gonna say it's more big head friendly, but
I didn't have problems like trying to fit or adjust. As soon as I got it on, I could already see exactly where I wanted it and was able to work with it that way, cut off the lace and then lay the glue, and everything worked out completely fine. Some of my wigs I just keep struggling, and but this one was very easy. Is well worth the money. There we go. Sorry, I keep flipping and everything. I really have no cons. Yeah, I don't know where I was just at. This is what happens when you walk away. Yeah, but I think I was on the shedding. I think I was. Sheesh. But I love the length. Here we go. I like the waves. Very beachy. I don't think there's anything more to it. I love this unit overall. Looks really nice. It feels really nice. It doesn't give me too many problems. It was very easy to install. I'm digging it. Let me know if you guys have any further questions. Leave a comment down below. Also follow my other social media platforms. My Instagram is KrystalKelly_ and my Snapchat is CSDKAA. And I'll see you guys real soon.